Hey, welcome back to Everyday Economics, where we take big questions about money and break them down into simple, everyday ideas. Today's question might sound like a dream. What if everyone got free money every month? Imagine getting a paycheck just for being alive. No job required. Sounds amazing, right?
Yes.
But would it work? Would people stop working? Would prices shoot up? Or could this actually fix some big problems? Let's explore what this idea really means, what economists think about it, and what might happen in the real world. Okay, so first, what do we mean by free money every month? This idea is called Universal Basic Income, or UBI for short. It means everyone gets the same amount of money. Every month, with no strings attached. It doesn't matter if you're rich, poor, working, or not. You still get it. Think of it like a financial safety net, always there no matter what. It's not a new idea. Thinkers and economists have talked about it for centuries, and in recent years, it's been tested in real places around the world. So why would a country give everyone free money? Here are a few reasons. 1. To reduce poverty, so no one falls below a basic living level. 2. To simplify welfare, and instead of many programs, just give people cash.
Thank you
3.
very much.
To deal with job loss, especially with robots and AI replacing work. 4. To give people more freedom to study, create, start businesses, or take care of family. It's not just about money, it's about dignity and choice. Here's the big question. If people got money for free, would they just stop working? Some fear that UBI would make people lazy. But small UBI experiments have shown that most people don't quit their jobs. Instead, they work fewer bad jobs, spend more time learning, caregiving, or improving their health. In fact, many use the money to start small businesses or go back to school. So far, UBI hasn't turned people into couch potatoes, but it has helped reduce stress and improve well-being. Of course, free money isn't really free. Someone has to pay for it. Governments would need to raise money through taxes, like income, wealth, or carbon taxes, cutting other programs and replacing them with UBI, printing more money, though this can cause inflation if not managed. Some people suggest a version where the rich pay more in taxes, but everyone still gets the same payment. Another worry, what if everyone has more money? Won't prices just rise? This is a big debate. Some economists say a small UBI wouldn't cause much inflation, especially if it replaces other government spending. But others warn, if people suddenly have way more money and spend it all at once, demand goes up, and so do prices. It depends on how UBI is rolled out, slowly and sustainably, or suddenly and all at once. UBI isn't just a theory, it's been tested around the world. In Finland, 2,000 unemployed people got monthly payments. They felt happier and more secure. In Kenya, villages received cash with no rules. People used it for food, school, and small businesses. In parts of the US and Canada, pilot programs showed better mental health and more economic activity. No program is perfect, but the early results are promising. So what if everyone got free money every month? It could reduce poverty, improve health, and give people more freedom. But it also raises big questions about cost, inflation, and human behavior. UBI isn't a silver bullet, but it's one of the boldest ideas for reshaping our economy in the 21st century. Thanks for watching Everyday Economics, where we turn big money ideas into small, simple stories. If this sparked your curiosity, hit like, subscribe, and tell us in the comments. Would you support UBI? And what would you do with free money every month?